How to fix Telegram not working on iPhone. So if you want to fix your Telegram not working on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your app store and go with search, which will be on the bottom, and search for Telegram. Now, after searching, if you have any updates on your Telegram, just simply go and update it, because if you have the older version, then you might find some kind of problems with your Telegram application. So make sure that it's up to date. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back, open up your settings. From settings, you need to make sure that you're on the settings homepage right here. You need to scroll all the way down and tap on apps. From here, you need to go and search for Telegram. After searching, you'll get this kind of interface. You just need to simply go and allow the full access. Once done, you need to go back, and then under settings, you need to go with general. From general, you need to go with iPhone storage. Now here you need to scroll down and then go with Telegram. If you don't find Telegram, tap on show all, scroll down again and tap on Telegram. Now tap on offload app. After offloading, it will again ask you to reinstall. You can just simply tap on reinstall, and after reinstalling, your problem might be fixed. Or just simply go back and then restart your device. After restarting, go back to your Telegram and it will work perfectly fine. That's how you can fix your Telegram not working on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.